Welcome back to the channel, everyone. And in today's video, we'll be installing VScode on our Kali Linux YouTube VM box. And the reason for this is we'll be utilizing VScode for our Sektor7 Malware Development course training. So that being said, let's get right into this video. So guys, like I said, we will be installing VScode. Working on this new mic. It's my temporary one that I had. It's a Logitech Yeti GX, I believe. Anyway, waiting for my Shure mic to come in. Trying to little something different than the DJI mic today. So that being said, let's go to Google. Let's go to VScode download. 1 second. Damn it, I always forget to mute my Teams. All right, there we go. Should be fairly quick and easy. So I like using it. It's just a clean layout, cleaner than using some of the other tools. I've always been a fan of VS Code. It just stuck with me. Why is this thing taking forever? There it goes. I think I didn't click on it. So our download should be popping up. Make sure, I'm going to go back real quick. Make sure you hit the deb for Kali. Once it's done, it should pop up here in your folder. Let's open up a terminal. ls, cd downloads, ls, it's there, clear. All right, now for this, 1 second, give me a call. I got a quick work call real quick. All right, sorry about that. Jesus Christ, people blowing up on Teams. So next, now that we got it in our downloads, it's going to come up as code underscore with the version numbers, amd64.deb. That is key. Make sure you got the correct one. Now next, we're going to do sudo, what was it? I think that's correct. Type in our Kali password, and it should go. This is a fairly quick and fast install. Oops. Make sure I clicked on that. Yep. Pretty quick. Now, if it does install correctly, there's two ways to check for it. Number one is VS Code comes up here, and you can also launch it from the terminal. Let's just do this. See if this works correctly. Code, it should pop up. You should be able to launch it anywhere. So that being said, fairly quick video on how to download and install VS Code. Again, this is going to be part of my malware development course training series that I'm going to be putting on YouTube. Again, I'm doing this like I do Try Hack Me. Try Hack Me, I'm not doing it the influencer norm. I'm not knocking them by any means. Again, the last two, Elastic and Elk, I've never used those two tools before. So I'm coming in as a noob, beginner, and learning something new. So that's how I'm going to approach these. I know some people might not like that way, but that's how I am going to approach the Try Hack Me. Even if I do know it, just because I want to be able to learn something new every day. That's just how I take everything that I do in my daily routine. And then also with malware development course from Sektor7, and also the Zero Point Security for C#. I believe it's C#. I am going to, or C++, C#. I'm going to be utilizing this as well. So it'll be kind of lumped into one. I might break it into two, depending on how much I have as far as footage for Sektor7 and the Zero Point Security. And anything I do on the side, I'll just lump it. I might have 3. I don't know. We'll see what happens down the line. Life happens. Things get in the way. So that's currently the plan right now. Other than that, just a quick video on how to install. And I mean, setting up VS Code is pretty simple. Run debug extension. So I'll just actually, you know what? I could go over these real quick. So you're going to go click on your extensions. And if you want Python, I know it's up there, but pretty much if you type in the search bar, you could install the main one. It might also pull some other ones. As you see, it just pulled the Python debugger. They have a different other kinds of extensions. Watch out for extensions as well, because some of them are third party and they might contain something unwanted on your machine or system. So just be aware, make sure you check the sources, make sure it's good to go. I already know these ones. I've done this in the past on my personal laptops and work laptops. So again, if you want Rust, now again, we're doing this in Kali. So if you're doing VS Code on Windows, you might have to do some additional downloads like Python or whatever the case might be, whatever language you're using. So for here, let's just go ahead and download Rust. See, it pulls, I'm not sure why. Yeah, it pulls these three, Rust plus 3. So let's go ahead and go to Go. I think Go should be just, yeah, there you go. Install Go. And let's go ahead and install C#, DevKit. Why not do both? So yeah, once these are done, pretty much you could go in, open up your doc. File, new text file, select language, Python. Yeah, so start typing or dismiss or don't show this again. So pretty much you could, there it goes. You could pretty much create what you want. It's pretty simple to do. Again, if you want me to do more stuff like installing this on other platforms, which is fairly easy, I don't think it's warranted the time, but if you do, just go ahead and comment and I'll go ahead and knock it out. That being said, this is a fairly quick, simple video. This is going to be the start of the Sektor7 Malware and 0 Point Security training courses. So a malware development course, the beginner, I think it's called Malware Development Essentials is the first one for Sektor7, which is the one I'm doing. So that being said, that's it for the video. Real quick, simple, self-sufficient, real easy to do. So hope you all have a good one. See you on Advent of Cyber Day 4 later today. Talk to you all later.